वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम जा रहे हैं क्रिसमस मार्केट जो कि ओल्ड टाउन में लगी है वो देखने। एज वेल वी आर गोइंग टू सी द क्रिसमस ट्री एंड विद द क्रिसमस कैरल्स वी विल चेक आउट सम ice skating as well. We came all the way from the entrance and now we are reaching the old town from this side. Let me walk in the middle of the road to show you how beautiful it looks. There is some function going out here of flashlights. So finally we are here at the ice rink and people are doing ice skating. After some time we are going to join them. We are still in the line for the tickets at the moment. So we are here at the counter and now we'll get the boots. So if somebody wants to take additional help, they can take these penguins, especially for kids, so they can easily move around. And this is quite a bit of help, not for the adults but for kids, yes. So we just finished and they are closing for now because when people skate it rubs and cuts through the ice. So now they are making it flat and even so that the next round can have a good time when the people start skating. So we are entering the market right now. This is the Christmas market and let's go inside and check it out. Some cushions are out here. So we are here at the Christmas market in Old Town of Warsaw, and the gentleman here is making out special roses and leaves and stuff out of metal, and you can see he's showing his work live to everyone. So kids and everybody, they are watching him doing his job.
Kowal to jest pan. Ten pan jest kowalem.
Numer 1 proszę. Codziennie przychodzi.
Dobra, chodźmy. Tak, ten pan jest.
There are a lot of places where you can buy souvenirs. And here we have some bottles of different kind of juices, locally made.
Mostly blueberry, because we've got one of the oldest blueberry fields. This is the traditional one, this is the one that shoots.
Here we have some woodworks.
Jesteś w Warszawie, czy nie macie? Jesteś, a mogę cię...
Some glassworks. Christmas souvenirs. Toys for kids. Pikachu. And Super Mario. Another souvenir shop. Here is a photo point as well. This is the cabin where you can get some photos. This is a unique clock. These are all soaps, different kind of soaps. So we just got some gloves from this. The lady was very helpful and very nice. There are also antique caps. So we have some special toffees as well out here, basically gingerbreads. Poland is one of the largest producer of amber, and you can see so much jewelry made out of amber, especially there in the background. And here we have the Santa Claus with the big beard.
Ho, ho, ho! Dzień dobry, dzień dobry.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
How are you, Santa?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Good, good.
Są sanie mikołajowe.
Sprzedamy ci da? Mogę usiąść swoje bryce?
Miejsce dla Mikołaja.
Damy wierszy.
So Santa is talking to the kids, and he's entertaining the kids right now. If you want to take a photo with the Santa, you need to give some money as well. And here we have the Christmas tree in the old town of Warsaw. This time the Christmas tree is very different from rest of the years, and I love it. It has very vibrant colors, so many different colors. It's like almost like the fall. We have all the different colors of the trees. The same is this year our Christmas tree in Warsaw. So let me take you near to the tree. Beautiful Christmas tree. A lot of people gather around the tree in the old town of Warsaw to see the tree, to cherish it. Now we are entering the place for taking some pictures with Santa Claus. So lady here is standing and clicking pictures of people who can stand in front of the Christmas tree, and we have our own one of these, and it's you click an additional fair as well out here. Let's go and check out the handicraft souvenirs. Some amber pieces.
Kupiłem 2 i teraz 4 sztuki. Można.
There is the lighting out here with the car, and you can sit. There are a lot of kids who are enjoying themselves. This thing also has a horn. Kids are enjoying picking on the horn. And this is the ice cream stall. And if we go further, we have some more attraction for kids, like this one. Kids are playing. And this is a truck. It has a horn as well. The teddy is in the truck. Here we have a merry-go-round.
This is the monument of Copernicus, and he was the one who discovered solar system.
We have a countdown going right now, and once the countdown finishes, there will be special lighting at this place. So now we're just waiting for it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Finally, this was all about the old town and the market, the old town market, as well as the skating circle in the old town square. We really liked it. I hope you should visit Warsaw, visit Poland, enjoy this place. It's a beautiful city, and I'll keep you updated when we visit different parts of Warsaw. See you in the next vlog. Until then, have a nice time.